What's up, y'all? It's Timmy, and today we're going to be continuing our journey out to Alpine Creek Lodge, my favorite lodge in Alaska, so let's get to it. Welcome to Truck House Life, baby.
Stoked to see Bob and Claude and Jen and Chrissy. It's gonna be good. Oh yeah. Everything's going pretty well so far. Weather's actually great. Could be way worse. Not even that cold, really. I mean, it's cold. I mean, you know, look around, but feels pretty good. Looks like we might be getting into some kind of storm up there, but I don't know. Here comes Matt. Better ride it. It's going in. Oh yeah. It doesn't take much. If you don't ride powder and you get off of this hard-packed road, you're in for a real treat. I'll tell you that much. We just crossed Seattle Creek back here. We got about I don't know, 50 miles to go, something like that. Ooh. Pretty bumpy trail. Yeah. Between the flat light and the bumps, it's a little sketchy. Can't see nothing. For those of you that think it's a flat highway, sometimes it's not. We're running into like, I don't know if it's like wind drifts or what's going on, but it's been slow and jumpy, to say the least. This is like mile 30, I think, into the highway. About, you know, we got another 40 to go or so. Stopping for a little lunch. Potato lefse. Horseradish cheddar.
Stack of cheese,
Yep.
stack of chips.
Get up in here now. Lefse burrito. I thought they said vehicles with pugs prohibited. Look at those dogs. We are here mile 98 or so. We're getting there, 30 miles to go. For the record, Alpine Creek Lodge is, I want to say it's mile 68, mile marker 68. Absolutely gorgeous sunset going on, so looks like we're about to get back into the storm up here. On the final countdown. Once you get to the Susitna Bridge, it's about 10 miles to Alpine Creek Lodge. That's gonna go do some powder surfing a little bit. Every now and then, if the wind affects the snow enough, it'll get kind of like, you'll be floating and then you'll punch through it and sink in. And that's a cricket. That's a cricket. Yeah. It looks good. We're here. Checking it out. Staying upstairs. Get our own rooms. Oh yeah. Let's get in here. Yeah, you get a table. I got a table too. Not bad, not bad.
You guys got a million stories.
I got it.
What's up?
We're starting to switch
We'll
channel.
bring you in.
All right.
Are you recording?
It's the virtual Grizzly Bar.
We're gonna start.
So it's
streaming.
the virtual Grizzly
Virtual
Bar.
Grizzly Bar.
Virtual Grizzly Bar?
Yeah.
Like you go to the bar
You just
online?
have it set up. We'll just stream us just being in the bar.
It's a live stream from the Grizzly Bar.
Brilliant.
But people can tune in from wherever they want and hang out, crack a beer at home, and be a part of it.
Yeah.
And then they can buy a beer. $3 bucks.
You can have
and
2 or 3 cameras.
So
Like
We're totally.
Didn't drink the beer.
And they can ask questions about the screen that's going on, and then these guys can tell all the millions of stories that they have, and people could sit there
Boom.
from home
This will be on top.
virtually at the bar.
I like it.
There would be a little bell button on their screen. They would ring the bell and
Yep.
buy a house of beer
Oh,
for
yeah.
$100.
And
Yep.
then it's like all set up to a donation, a GoFundMe, or
PayPal, easy.
whatever.
You guys came up with this idea while I was upstairs for 2 minutes?
Yes, 2 minutes.
And then you,
It was quick. As soon as you left, the creation started going.
Sounds about right.
Creativity happened
You were
as soon
so
as you left.
close, Tim.
this beer's on so and so down in Georgia or whatever,
Oh, yeah.
and
Hell
then
yes.
and then they can ask you
That's a good
questions.
idea.
And you can tell stories and prompt them, and then totally. And they're just chilling at home drinking beer.
Yeah.
But you can't just come to this bar. It's the most remote bar in the world.
Right. Why? From
So-
the most remote
But you can
bar.
hang out with us.
But exactly. But you can still come hang out with us.
You imagine all the chicks that would be following us? It'd be full of chicks.
Just
Wanting to hang out in the bar with us.
endless.
And even just generally talking about our each and every day.
Totally.
I mean,
And it's a recap from the stuff that happened in your earlier episode.
yeah.
Well, today and what's great is this is what you already do. It's like Timmy figured out how to make money from just doing what he already does. This is what you already do. You hang out in the
That's
bar
true.
and tell stories.
It'd be cool as hell to be able to interact.
Yeah,
while people are
that's
watching.
fun.
Yeah.
Yeah, people
you
just
could
ask
probably-
But I
questions.
noticed you do that a lot too when you're doing that. It's pretty
yeah.
cool how you can
kinda-
give, hey, a shout out, hey Joe, how you doing?
That's how-
That's cool.
Rolling down to the Grizzly Bar. This is where it's all gonna begin. Strung up.
Yeah, we jazzed it up pretty good.
Yeah, I like it.
Right here, Tim.
Fancy.
Well, if you think about it,
Yeah, I think you just.
the camera could be there or here.
Yeah. I feel like a wide angle though from over here. Like you had you from the last time we were here, the video that you made.
Yeah, that was a cool shot.
Over here. And it was,
I think this.
Shutting her down. We'll see you guys in the morning. Good long day ahead. Got them eggs.
over medium, just right. An Arctic chill. No drama there.
Hello. Here we are. It's about noon. The weather has been it's been better. A little bit foggy out there. It's actually looking a little more clear right now. By that I mean it's not looking more clear. We're going anyway. Packing up right now. I'm gonna go hit the pal. Take you guys with us. Let's go. Is Bob schooling right now? Yeah.
So it's kind of nice. They got like a riding gear storage area, otherwise known as the generator shed. But they're pretty cool. They allow you to store your stuff out here to dry it off at night. Pretty lucky man. Can't believe I just like didn't even hit an A-arm. Like took out a whole group of trees.
Yeah.
Totally fun.
The machine was like wedged up into a tree when I hit it, so I'm surprised it survived.
It's insane.
No damage.
Just some plastics.
Plastic.
For those of y'all that don't know, this is, or what is this thing called?
It's Lynx 4100 Boondocker.
Yep. They're pretty sweet. It's like a European sled pretty much. Yep.
This is the first year they're in
production here.
America.
Nice, we're in America. It's got the 850 BRP engine in there like the Ski-Doos. Good engine. Short tunnel. See how the tunnel sticks out significantly further. Harder to get stuck. They're pretty sweet looking. What's that thing? It's like a track guard.
That'll launch the snow up into the tunnel.
Huh. Oh, to keep it cool.
The tunnel doesn't stick out far enough.
Yeah.
It can't catch the snow with a mud flap.
Oh, nice.
So snow flap, so it's just got this to launch the snow up.
Yeah.
Cool it down.
Crazy setup. Pretty cool. We're fueling up. Looks like the day is popping. I'm not gonna call it a sucker hole, but it's definitely clearer up that way. Looking better. So yeah, we're gonna fill these sleds up and go hit it. We're on the 600 today, the old trusty steed. Still going. Still doing the job. Let it warm up a little more. If you guys haven't been out here to Alpine Creek Lodge, you should really come out. It really is. It's an awesome place, and if you like riding, some good riding out here. No people, good snow, and the people there are here are awesome. So yeah, you guys check it out. Tell them Timmy sent you too.
Stuck throttle. Bam.
Well, that thing reach, I gotta get closer probably.
Here, I'm moving. I'm moving.
Get out of the way.
Get out of the way, Matt.
I was all like, well, no one's coming, so I'll do all my gear, and then everybody showed up. So.
Yeah. Well, that's a wrap, y'all. Stay tuned for the next episode where we head out on Bob's trap line and get into a little bit of trouble. So we'll see you then. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace, y'all.